Hey guys, Alan at Pinelands Nursery. Today I want to talk to you about a native palm that grows in our area. Actually, it grows in the entire southeast United States. It's called a needle palm, Rhipidophyllum hystrix. And if you zoom in here, Heidi, you see why they call it a needle palm. The base here has all these sharp spikes. This is probably one of the most, if not the most, cold hardy palm in existence. For certain in our area, it is the most cold hardy palm. And it has to have heavy shade. It only gets about 6 to 8 feet tall max. It's generally a singular palm, but it will put some pups off the bottom, and it kind of stays bushy looking. It's never going to really grow a trunk like you expect a palm tree to grow. It's more of a bushy palm, but they like the soil to be moist and organic. You usually find them in swampy areas and low areas, but it's extremely dark green. It's a very pretty Florida native. Here we have a 45-gallon one. This is still not full grown, but it's an example of a bigger one.